Introduce features interest for Decsix Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Vacuum and Mop. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Features highlight or overview summary are include. The electric vacuum robot features a 2.7-inch thin low profile that vacuums through any dining room or kitchen floors and is small enough to fit under the furniture, couch or bed in your house. The robotic floor cleaner has two auto side sweeper brushes that extend the reach of the vacuum and rotate to catch indoor dirt and debris in rooms, corners and on tiles or hardwood floor. Vacuuming, sweeping, damp, mopping, all-in-one, maintain gleaming hard floors. New powerful motor with max mode and pet hair technology picks up furs, debris, dust and dirty easily and efficiently. This automatic vacuum cleaner robot has a high-capacity battery of 1500 mAh and a charging base. It could continuously work for 80 minutes to meet the cleaning needs from the living room to the bedroom. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.